Hello, I'm Charles Rose, Stmnt UK Ambassador. We're here today doing our first local shoot in Manchester. We are creating a lookbook today with all the products in the range. Today I used the curling cream on Ethan's hair. We used it as a cutting tool at first, and then just before drying it, just topped it up again with a little bit more curling cream just to keep that moisture in the hair as well. So drying it with a diffuser, and yeah, just let the curls do its natural thing.
So my name is Wes Jones and I am from the Heartbreak Club in Leigh-on-Sea in Essex. So today I created my statement look by looking back at sort of anarchistic styles, sort of Sid Vicious, punk rock, and just went a bit loose with it. I used the definition spray to blow dry the hair. Then I used a tiny bit of spray powder to give it a little bit of root lift, and I finished it off with a matte paste.
So I'm Luke Hartley. I go by Cuts from the Heart on Instagram. I'm from Club 13 Hull. So for my look today, I didn't want to complicate it too much. I used the serum as a cutting agent and also to condition the hair and scalp. I find that's really good at getting really clean sections in with my scissor work. And then for my pre-styler, I used the definition spray because I found it has a really nice hold, but it's not too strong. It's really nice for like curls and that reworkable look. And then for styling products, I actually use a cocktail of the dry clay and the fibre pomade.
Hi, my name is Wesley. My barbershop is located in Galway and the west coast of Ireland, called Innovation Barbers. So for Teddy's hair, I decided to do a nice long hair, nice trendy hair. So I cut his fringe in a length that he could have flexibility with it, throw it to the back or even leave it down. He has a very nice style, so it was very easy to officiate the haircut. I decided to do a cocktail, so I mixed actually some definition spray alongside with some shine paste. I really mixed that up and really got into his hair like you would use a conditioner, just so we can really activate the curls.